Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Behance account from scratch. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to behance.net. Once the page loads, you'll land on Behance's homepage where you can explore creative work from designers and artists around the world. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a sign-in button there. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you have options to either sign in with an existing account or create a new one. Since we're creating a brand new account, look for the Create an Account option and click on it. This will open up the registration form where you can start setting up your Behance profile. Now you'll see a form where you can input your email address and password directly if you prefer the traditional sign-up method. However, Behance also offers convenient options to sign up using different platforms like Google or Facebook, which can save you time and simplify the login process in the future. For this example, let's click on the Google option. This allows you to create your Behance account using your existing Google credentials without needing to remember another password. A pop-up window will appear showing your available Google accounts. Select the Google account you want to link with your Behance profile and click on it. This step connects your Google identity with your new Behance account. After selecting your account, you'll see a Continue button. Click on it to move forward with the account creation process. Behance needs just a bit more information to finalize your profile setup. Next, you'll be prompted to input your date of birth. This information helps Behance ensure compliance with age requirements and personalize your experience. After entering your date of birth, click the Create Account button to proceed. Now, Behance wants to understand what type of user you are. You'll see two options, creative/freelancer or hirer. If you're a designer, artist, or creative professional looking to showcase your work, select creative/freelancer. If you're someone looking to hire creative talent, choose hirer. Go ahead and click on the option that best describes you. Finally, Behance will ask you to choose topics that interest you. This helps customize your feed so you see the kind of creative work that inspires you most. Browse through the available topics and select the ones that match your interests. Once you've made your selections, click See My Custom Feed. And that's it. You've successfully created your Behance account and you're now ready to start exploring creative projects, building your portfolio, or discovering talented professionals. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.